What is FEMA? FEMA stands for Foreign Exchange Management Act. Imagine FEMA as a rule book made by India's government so that only safe, fair property deals can happen when people from other countries want to buy or sell houses or land in India. What is NRI, non-resident Indian? It means an Indian who lives somewhere outside India most of the time. Who says someone is an NRI? The Ministry of External Affairs and the Reserve Bank of India decide as per government rules. How long must someone stay outside India to be NRI? If you live in another country for more than 182 days in 1 year, 365 days, you become NRI. Example: if Ravi moves to Canada for work and stays there for 200 days, he is an NRI. What is PIO, person of Indian origin? PIO means someone whose parents or grandparents were Indian citizens, but now lives in a different country and has that country's passport. Example: if Mira lives in Australia and her grandparents were from India, she is a PIO, merger of PIO with OCI, overseas citizen of India. India wanted fewer types of cards, so it merged PIO and OCI into one, the OCI card. What is OCI? It is a card for people from other countries who have Indian family roots, letting them stay and travel in India easily. Example: now, rather than PIO and OCI cards, everyone gets an OCI card. FEMA rules explained. NRIs and PIOs can buy any house, flat, or building in India. NRIs and PIOs cannot buy farmland, farmhouse, or plantation land like banana farm, tea garden. Foreigners, no Indian roots, cannot buy any property unless they live in India for a long time with proper visa or inherit it from an Indian. Special countries. People from Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Afghanistan, China, Iran, Nepal, and Bhutan need special permission from RBI to buy/sell property. How to pay. Money for property must be paid through banks, not cash. Gifts and inheritance. Property can be received as a gift or inheritance from close family with proper paperwork. Subscribe for more videos.